In this video, we are going to talk about National Occupancy Standards for CCTV Installation Technician. There are 4 National Occupancy Standards for CCTV Installation Technician. They are: first one is visit the site and understand the requirement. Second one is install CCTV camera. Third one is set up the CCTV surveillance system. And the fourth one is coordinate with colleagues and co-workers. Let us discuss about the National Occupancy Standards and their uses. NOS 1. Visit site and understand the customer requirement. This consists of interact with the customer, understand the requirements, visit the site, understand the site condition and the requirement, suggest possible solution, decide on the CCTV system to be installed, achieve productivity and quality standards. Excuse me, is sir available to talk regarding CCTV?
Yeah, sure. Just
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello sir, yesterday I have called you about the CCTV.
Oh,
camera.
yeah. Please sit down. Please sit down.
So sir, I have come today to
Okay.
see wherever you want the cameras, where do you require about. So
Okay.
if you can just let me know.
Yeah, come, I'll show you.
Just
We need to cover the entrance.
okay.
Will be coming in.
So one camera we put over here so that it covers the entrance, something like
That you should decide.
Okay.
So I want the entrance to be entirely covered.
Okay.
Then one in the lobby section,
Okay.
which should cover this lobby area. Okay. And the third one will be needing the classroom here.
Sure. We'll put it in the corner so that all the whole classroom is covered.
Okay.
One place. The same way. The
Same way, somewhere in
Same
that corner.
Yeah.
That corner, and also this passage.
The passage to be covered.
Okay. And one more very important place I need a camera is my storeroom, because all my stocks are there.
So we'll just check that.
This is a storeroom. I have all my stocks inside here, so this needs to be covered completely.
Okay. These are the major places where you want.
Yes.
As I've seen all your ceilings, so there's no false ceiling. So I would
Correct.
prefer a bullet cameras rather
Okay.
than dome cameras.
Okay.
And I'll be showing you a couple of pictures of the cameras for you to select one.
Fine,
So that we
whatever
can
you
start
do.
the work of the
Fine.
cameras.
I trust you. Just whatever best.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
I'll send the camera.
So that all the purpose is solved.
Thank you.
Thank you and all the best.
NOS 2. Install the CCTV camera. This consists of procure the hardware required for installation, test the hardware before installation, connect the cables, install and set up the cameras, use appropriate tools and equipments for the installation, achieve productivity and quality standards. After visiting to the client's place, we have decided to put a bullet camera. Now, let me tell you what all the equipments we require to install a bullet camera. First of all, we'll require a digital video recorder, then a cutter, different sizes screwdriver, a power supply, and a cable. The cable is connected with a BNC connector. Now let me show you how do we connect the cable with a BNC connector. This is a coaxial cable. We connect the BNC at both the ends of the wire. We peel the ends of the wire to connect it to a BNC connector. After peeling, we observe a main cable and other 3 sub-cables. Hence this wire is known as 3+1 cable. The main cable, which is bigger in diameter, is used to insert in the BNC connector. When peeled the main cable, we observe the shield around it, which is removed and twisted separately. The core is connected to the BNC. The shield is wrapped at the terminal of the BNC. We cover the terminal with the insulation tape for safety precautions. This is how a BNC is connected, and this is used for transfer of the video. The other sub-cables are used for power. This is a power pin connector, which is connected to the power cable. We peel both the power cable and the power pin connector. These both are connected and tape is wrapped around them. This is used to supply power to the CCTV camera. This is how we connect the connectors to the CCTV cable, and we repeat the same process for the other end of the cable. Once the BNC is connected to both the end of the cable looks like this. For the camera end, the cable looks like this, and for the DVR end, the cable looks like this. Now we first connect the cable to the DVR. Once the BNC is connected, the power cable is connected to the power supply. Now the other end of the cable is connected to the camera. First we connect the BNC to the BNC port, and then we connect power pin to the power pin port in the camera. Now we connect monitor to the digital video recorder using a VGA or HDMI cable. Power adapter of the DVR is connected to the DVR. As we can see the output of the camera on the monitor, the products are in the working condition and can be installed at the site. NOS 3. Set up the CCTV surveillance system. This consists: connect CCTV camera and DVR with the system, set up the CCTV system, ensure system functioning and perform a demo, complete the installation task and report, interact with the customer, interact with the superior, achieve productivity and quality as per company norms. As we can see, the cabling is completed and it is done through the pipe. We install the camera. A white box is fixed next to the camera so that the connectors can be kept in it. Camera is installed with the suitable tools to cover the area requested by the client. Once the camera is fixed and installed, we connect the other end of the cable to the DVR. Output is received on the screen, hence the installation is successful.
Sir, all the cameras have been installed and are working. The client is happy with the integration.
NOS 4. Coordinate with colleagues and co-workers. This consists of: interact with supervisor or superior, coordinate with colleagues.
Sir, all the cameras have been installed and are working. The client is happy with the integration. Sir, work at this site has been completed. What do you ask me to do next? Is there any other installation or do you want me to come back to office?